Hey guys, what's up? Today I'm gonna show you how to change your battery on a Passat. This is a 2017 model that I'm working on, but it's the same thing from 2012 Passat. So if your Passat look like this, doesn't matter what year you have, but if your Passat look like this, it should be the same process to change the battery. And it starts from 2012 this shape all the way to 2017, 18, the same thing. So say you come to your car, right, and your battery is dead. You try to open your door, that won't work. But if you look underneath here, you will see a place to put your key. So you want to put your key and pull this at the same time. All right, I know the door is open, but I'm just doing this for demonstration purposes. So if you put your key here and twist it, you can see this coming off. So as you see, that come off like that, and then you can push your key in here because your battery is dead. But you see, so you can use the key now to unlock the door. Okay, and then you want to come here, open the hood. After you open the hood on your car, you want to go in the front, and because the battery location is right here also. So you need to open the hood. You want to come under here. You see this thing right here. You want to squeeze up on it and lift up, and that will open the hood, and your battery gonna be right here. So there you go, that's your battery. And so let's see what we need to take off to remove this battery. So over here, I don't know if you can see between that, but I'm gonna show you. There's a battery holder down here. Alright, so let's do that. So if you want to jump your car, you would just come and lift this back, put your positive cable right here and your negative cable right here, and you jump your car. Alright, so after that, you want to go ahead and first thing first, remove your negative cable. So you just want to open it so this can open up and come and twist it and pull up. Take that off. All right, do the same thing for the positive side. All right, then twist it. Go ahead and take this cover off. Alright, so when you take this cover off right here, you will see that you have another screw down here with that holds the battery into place. So that's what we're going to take off next, and it should be 13mm. Okay, and once again, you doesn't have to use a drill. You can use a ratchet handle. Alright, so gonna be 13mm. To remove that, get your hand down here and lift up and take that out. Alright, so now it's time to lift out the battery, because you can see the battery is loose now. Alright, so now we're gonna lift out the battery. Got that one out. Get the new one. In. As you can see, make sure your positive is down on this side. You can see the plus, that sign stands for positive, and the minus sign stands for negative. Alright, so make sure when you put in your battery like this, and it take a 47 series battery. Okay, so that's what your car take. if it's a 17 model. But it's the same procedure to change the battery from 2012 all the way up. Alright, so next step is to put back this right down here. As you see, that goes down there like that. Get the screw. Take your time so you don't drop it. Get your 13. Alright, so that's good. And remove this cap right here. You always want good contact with your battery, so you must always remove this cap. Alright. But put the positive first. Alright. Sometimes it might not go down all the way, but just give it a little tap like this. Just a little tap. This is what I'm using, so just a little tap right around the top. Make sure it goes down and make good contact, and do the same thing for this right here. Make sure the screw is open and give it a nice little top button. Alright, so that's good so far. Next thing you need to get your, you guys see what I missed, so have to take it back off and put back the black cover. Alright, so as you see, I put on the terminal without putting this. Go ahead and put this back. Terminal. Set your wire like that. 10mm again. Tighten that up. Tighten that up. And go ahead and lock back this down into place. So that's it, guys. That's how you change your battery. That's how you change your battery on the Volkswagen Passat. As you can see, everything is all nice and tight. Battery is tight. Cover back on. So alright, so the battery is on. Let's go ahead and crank the car. I don't know what I do with the key. I'm trying to find the key where I can crank the car up for the first time so you guys can see without the camera cut, but can't find the key. I'm gonna look for a key and come back. The key's right here in my mess.
It might be the same one, but I could have sworn it's clean this morning.
Alright, so go ahead, turn the ignition on for a little bit, just for like 5 seconds or so. Alright, so go ahead and cut it back off and then crank the car up, press the brakes, and that's it. You're gonna have those lights on, the traction light, the tire light, and the low tire light. But as soon as you drive the car, it will all go away. So that's what I'm gonna do and show you. So guys, if you see that, don't go crazy. You'll be alright. Just drive the car and they will go away. They all will turn off. Alright? So this part of the video might be long, but it's just to show you when you see those lights, you'll be fine. Look at this. They're all gonna go away. You see? They all go away. You don't have nothing to worry about. Just by me driving down the street, they go away. There go the tire light is gone too. And that light you see there is the gas light, and it's because it's low on gas. So yes, again, thank you guys for your love and support. Please go ahead and subscribe to the channel. Help me help you. Peace out. See you next time, guys. Please go ahead and give a thumbs up, share with your friends or anybody you know in need. All right? Peace out.